This is Dylan. He's kind of sad right now because he's got an ear infection in one of his ears. Did you know that dogs can get ear infections just because they're genetically prone to it? Golden retrievers are one of the breeds that are prone to ear infections. And there's other things that can cause ear infections. Water in the ear that doesn't dry out is the most common. Sometimes they can get something stuck in their ear, like a foxtail or something like that. But the quickest way to notice that your dog may be having a problem would be to notice if they're pawing at their ear, or if they're scratching at it, if there's any redness, or if there's a sour smell. If they've got, if their ear stinks, then you definitely want to take them to the vet. But it's easy to know. The treatment for it is going to depend on your vet, but in Dylan's case, he's got an antifungal cream that gets squirted in his ears twice a day. He gets antibiotics taken by mouth in pill form, also twice a day, every 12 hours. And then he's got drops that we're putting in his ears. He knew I was talking about him, so he came over to visit us. But it's a pretty easy thing to treat. You just have to, be aware of your dog if you notice that they're scratching their ear a lot, or if you look inside their ear and it's red, it's time to go to the vet, because an ear infection won't resolve on its own. It is something that needs antibiotics. And in his case, he was pawing at it, and his owner noticed that when she looked inside, she could see blood. So he definitely has an ear infection. I'm taking care of him right now. We're doing some pet sitting, and he's a very good boy. You wouldn't know from his behavior. Dogs often hide pain. It's a natural instinct, something that they learn out in the wild. Animals that appear to be injured or are in pain seem to be easy prey. And so often your dog's not going to act like they're in pain even when they are. So just something to notice and be aware of. Ear infections don't have to be a big deal. Left untreated, your dog can go deaf, and it can also spread to the rest of their body. So you definitely want to get it checked out. Hope this helps.